Chapter 12 of the Lunatic Ironman is quite challenging, and I don't have much room to mess around. This map is filled to the brim with incredibly powerful fire dragons and wyverns, not to mention the deadly area-based ambush reinforcements. If you're not careful or knowledgeable of the map, you stand a good chance of dying instantly. I sent Chris out to fight the initial onslaught and kill Daros in the process. The final and most dangerous group of reinforcements triggers when you approach the boss. Normally, this is avoided by seizing as soon as possible, but I go for a different strat. I positioned Chris, arranged the top and middle reinforcements, and occupied the lower forts. I sent the generic Antony as a heroic sacrifice to trigger the final group of reinforcements. The plan succeeds, and all reinforcements are either blocked or lured into attacking and being killed by Chris, completing the map.